Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel lab, select the shape, remove the background, to the erase color. Then select another shape, remove the background, to the erase color. Change the color of shape. Save the shape. Then select the stroke. Adjust the color red. Expression. The shadow. Change the background color. Duplicate the shape. Select the color filter. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.